What's up, guys? So, crypto has been very hot recently, and I wanted to go ahead and make a quick video on the trade setup that I potentially see on Ethereum. Ethereum's actually been pretty volatile the last few weeks, as we can see, very big rangy candles, especially with Bitcoin as well. And I do believe Ethereum is going to go ahead and actually catch up to Bitcoin in the sense of, how Bitcoin cleared its all-time highs, and I believe that Ethereum is next. I've actually talked about this on my Instagram story where I believe Ethereum will be going 1500s and above. And as we see on this weekly chart, it very much looks so. So I'm going to go ahead and just put on my EMA. So right now we are pretty far off from our 20 EMA. So whenever the price is, moving aggressively away from the 20, we kind of want to wait for some sort of retracement. We do have price consolidation over here that, might result in some type of short-term resistance. So I am kind of looking and hoping for a pullback of the market back into somewhere around $800, maybe around, yeah, around $800 price point, somewhere within here, and then we see a potential rally to new all-time highs. It can rally from here, but again, I'm not trying to chase this, as the weekly chart is pretty overextended off the 20, so that's just something that we kind of have to keep in mind. Because you don't want to be chasing it up in here. If you are day trading it, you can kind of try to find entries for the potential push here. But if you're looking for a good opportunity of a swing around that $800 mark in here, somewhere around these price points, would be a good potential buy. If we go down to the daily chart, we're going to see, yep, the market has just been constantly trending higher highs, higher lows. Um, and going back to the weekly chart, you can see that there was a massive amount of accumulation that was going on all the way since back in July of 2018. So this rally should, in my opinion, should not be faded. Crypto is very bullish right now. So anything regarding that is a little bit more dangerous, on the dangerous side, trying to play back a reversal. Yeah, I personally wouldn't prefer. I'd rather just wait to see if we potentially get a long back down into the 800s, Ethereum, and then we look for, this to pretty much break and go higher. Now, how high can this go, right? We never really know for sure, but with crypto kind of starting to gain traction to 2021, a lot of hype is coming back into the crypto market. The way I would personally look at it is, all right, so we had this price swing up in here, price came all the way back down, accumulated more positions, and now if we kind of result this price leg in here, right, and then we just kind of match that price leg above all-time highs, that leads us somewhere in the realm of about, yeah, about 2500 to $2600 price point, especially if we get a very nice extended run. So if we can get some type of buy around $800 all the way back up to 2600, that would be ideal. That would be about 4x your investment. So that's something I'm watching for, a pullback back into this region. I had some Ethereum back around this when we had this type of consolidation. I did sell it around $600. So I did obviously, kind of get out a little bit too early, but it is what it is. I am looking for Ethereum to kind of get back into that $800 range and then look for a potential break above 1500. I do believe we get that in quarter one of 2020. I'm sorry, 2021. So let's go ahead and see. And yeah, I'll keep you guys updated with, with how Ethereum and other cryptos are doing